Yeah.
If it come back up. Yeah, there you go. It just did. And I see.
All right, let's get through the ad. What they advertise?
Oh, you paying the bills for me, bro?
Bro, I'm paying.
Like,
That's what we do.
he gonna turn around. Hey, just for the ad people, he just turned around. He ain't get none of that. He ain't get none of that. Y'all just paid him for that, man. All right, listen. All right, cool. And we back on track. Damn, I lost all my Facebook viewers, man.
So, bro, let me send you some code real quick, just so you can see.
No, you got to do this shit in real time, bro. I don't know. You was just.
You want me to do it?
You was just flexing, bro.
All right,
you was making me look stupid, bro.
No,
yeah, you can share screen. Remember we did the last time? You can share screen.
Am I sharing right now?
Nah, I just see you. Oh, yes, you is. You sharing? Yeah, facts.
Yep. 7 in the morning. All
right, I think it's a way for me to blow yours up to be the biggest one. Show on stream, yes. Push screen share, yes. But I don't really need that. Like, what's the point? It's gonna be big anyway. Okay, so I think this is saying that I can just do just this screen. Yeah, alright. So now my viewers can see it full screen. Alright, he getting busy. He got the browser up to the left of it. So I did have that right, but you still got the errors, bro. You got the answer, Sway, but you got the errors too, Sway. What you doing, bro? You said we wasn't gonna have no errors, man. He getting funky, y'all. Hold on. Now that I see where he at with it, I'm on it too. F that. I'm gonna see if I could beat him, y'all. Beat him at his own game. Oh, I got it now, bro. I'm error free. Let's go. And I'm error free up in the gym. Let's go. Okay, I was error free, but it's not no more. You error free yet? Matt, where you go, bro? No, you ain't being heard, bro. They told you what's hurting. I can't hear you, bro.
Bro, so when I share screen, it turned my mic off.
Go off. Oh, that's on me, bro. Hold on. Let me see if I can do it. I might be able to do it a different way.
Why are you denying me greatness, bro?
Nah, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Hold on. There's a button here that says show on stream. Can you just confirm for me that when you look at my actual stream, you see yourself?
Hold on, bro.
Because I think I know what's happening now.
Yeah, I see myself.
All right, cool. So go back to that. You just got rid of that overlay. So look, go back to sharing your screen real quick. Fix this. Okay. I got you. So then, boom. So, all right, now start talking.
Now I can talk.
Okay, so now what I was gonna do, if I were to do this,
y'all can see my screen and you can hear me.
Exactly, yeah. So now let's just do that. And now say something.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So now if you look at my stream, it should be the full screen. Wait, where your screen at though?
I'm here, bro.
Hold on, it ain't.
Oh, you done switched it up.
I'm trying to. It's not loading, bro. So. All right, let me see if I could. If I drop you, can I pan this? This shit definitely in beta. Get it together.
He said beta, though.
They gotta get this together, bro. This shit in beta, bro.
Beta.
Hold on, I'm finna, so they saying, let's say move the slot 2. I ain't do shit.
Is there a Udemy course that we need to take for streaming, bro?
Apparently, bro, because... But we did this together before. No, not when you were sharing. We ain't never did one where you shared your screen. Just go ahead and do it, bro. It's cool. It's cool. I'll zoom in.
Okay, let me go back to sharing.
We'll leave this up like this.
Cookies on the side.
I can't believe that was so weird though to get. That should be something that's so easy to do. Like a real basic. Yeah, the thing that we was trying to do is such a real basic.
So basically, yeah. So what this is complaining about, bro, is it's saying that this node list may not actually exist, right? So because it's saying like this is how it's interpreting it. Node list is unknown, right? And so we have to actually ensure that this mug exists, and we could probably like check from the parent, and if it do, go from there. So that's the battle we're trying to do right now, because we can see that we getting these buttons. All right, so we know they're there, but this is just a typing error.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So okay, let's see here. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, we about to figure this out together right now.
All right, let's get it.
Argument of type node list of unknown is not. Oh. We're developing on the Mac. Siri want to jump in whenever something going on. Let's see here. You can hear me? I'm in.
Yeah, I'm with you. Okay. I just can't. That's why I feel like query selector all is not the right way to go for
this. We could do. What's the other one? Get by class name.
Yeah, get elements by class name.
And then what is it saying then?
I mean, query selector all. Yeah, let's be real. We know that's how we would do it back in the day.
That's back in the day.
All right, well, I'm finna cheat. I'm finna Google.
Google it, bro. I know. I think I know one way I can cheat this. I probably shouldn't do it like this, but let's see. That we just said, forget the type. Like I don't know if I said typecast like, right there anyway. Like we know that's what we. Actually, you know what, bro? Let me see something. Does that work? That doesn't work. Okay. I'm so curious about that right there. Because it wants to return to me a node list. I know this is missing from the phone.
I think this.
What you got, bro?
I think you eat right. I think that if you're gonna do query select all, it's what is it returning to us? So is it? I think it might be an HTML, maybe HTML collection or HTML something else. So I'm gonna do get elements by. I'm gonna get elements by class name, and I'm gonna say give me back an HTML collection, and then here instead of that I'm gonna do that. All right. So now expected 0 type arguments got 1. What does that mean? Expected 0 type arguments got 1. Wait, what then? Do we even need? There we go. We don't need that no more. All right, I'm error free.
What'd you do?
Basically, I did. Oh, I cheated. I got rid of the typecast and forget elements by class name.
Nah, bro, we gotta keep that, bro. We gotta keep it. Let's figure out what's really good.
Yeah.
Let's be honest about it right now. Let me see something.
I was gonna cheat. But yeah, no, we ain't gotta cheat. We don't need to cheat this.
Because this is a learning opportunity. Let's see what's really good.
This is gonna be something light, bro.
I know it is. Maybe don't do it like that. Maybe, bro, what if we do? I'm gonna do like this, bro.
No. And it's like all the answers online. None of them typecasting that. Actually, why are we wasting our time doing this? Let's just go find what the type needs to be.
Let's go what?
Let's just go find out what the type needs to be. Here you go, right here. Beautiful. Love it. Thank you. We could just cheat that. Can't we just do this, man?
I can't see. Are you double sharing your screen right now?
No, hold on. I'm on the wrong one.
Yeah, I was like, what's good?
All right, look at you gotta look at my stream now, though.
Okay.
So can we just do this? Like, look. So when we go look at this, get elements by class name, it won't class names, right? But it itself needs to return this. So technically, this don't gotta be casted. This just a method, right? So wouldn't that be like? That would be like document. That wouldn't be this at all, right? That would just be this. Oh, wait. No. Yeah. That's I'm saying that, right?
Yeah. You could just do that. Yeah.
And then this in here would need to return the whatever this satisfies. Right?
And what is that? And what is that? So you need. Well, no, you don't have to.
Yeah.
Just cast it. Go cast it. Go put it where the HTML collection is. Do that. Replace that. Line 1. Get rid of where you put it, because what you're doing right now, bro, is you're setting the return. Do you want to set?
Right. That's what I want to do. I want to set the return, and then I want to return a collection of elements, bro. But no, that's okay. Let me be clear about what I'm trying to do. So what it's saying is that this method right here, get elements by class name, you don't have to cast this. There's no reason to cast this. So I don't know why you were doing that in the first place. What they saying, bro, is that this method, when it runs after it takes in this parameter, it returns back this guy right here. So in theory, as long as we return back, so we don't even need this. As long as we return, this is actually gonna be a string. As long as we return back a collection of elements, we should be solid, bro. Right.
And
so
honestly, this is boilerplate code anyway. So
wait, how do you return back? Like that. Come on, Tab. Now you've been on point all day. Yo, why they doing me like that? So, because remember, if you running this in here, why does bang operator right here, bro?
I don't know, bro. This is boilerplate code, though.
Oh, boilerplate. Okay, so that means this is some. Yeah. I got you. All right. So now let's do the project. So we want this element. Well, we don't want this to return what I just said. Then my bad. No. We want this to just run. Is what we need to do. Need to happen. But now I bet what you were saying is right now. Right? If I save this, go back here, that should be good. But now we need to return something though, because this is a method that wants something. Step counter wants what? It wants an element, which that's what that gives us back though, right? No, it don't. It won't the HTML. Hold on, it won't this bullshit. You was right, my bad, you was right. Step counter wants a parameter that is this. Smart bastard. All right, then boom. So now if I do element, gee, how do I just like spit this out in my console right now?
Just do console log, bro. Do element dot. Do you want to do each one or just all of them?
Let's do them all real quick.
Yeah, just do console log dot element.
And then it'll spit out down here.
Yeah, this is all client side.
Yeah,
return it though. Did you hit save?
Oh yeah, I gotta hit return.
Hot module reload, dog, and now go to your browser. No, you gotta return shit. I'm sorry, you don't have to return anything. Go to your browser.
Where it's at, bro? Oh, I gotta refresh.
So save that file.
I save. Boom. Oh, you can't even see my browser.
Yeah. Then now pop up in your console whenever you got your browser up. There we go. Now refresh.
It's still loading, bro. It's taking forever.
Oh, it hung up on you?
Up on me, bro. Should I restart the Should I restart the Vite?
Yeah. V.
V. Wait, why y'all say V?
Because it's French. It means quickly.
Oh, that was adorable. Makes sense. All right.
Your Haitian ass should appreciate that. Your Haitian stuff.
Wait, how I got 0 up in here?
Bro, you ain't got nothing. You got. Oh, I didn't find nothing. You not passing in the right stuff, bro.
Class counter. Oh, this is a ternary, bro.
Yeah, because if it exists, then you return it. If it doesn't, then whatever. Because that's what I was.
Now I got it. Now I no, I don't. Okay, hang on, bro.
So let me try this. If check that the node list you're targeting really exists, then assign your variable. So actually, I'm gonna put this as a variable. Const buttons equals. Okay, and let's do query selector. Let's just see if we can get one.
Right.
Is that query set? Oh, okay, that's it.
Is that how that works? Yeah, I think that is how that works, right? You give it a string, and it returns to you a collection of elements.
Yeah, and let me see here.
So wait, I guess we can cut the middleman, right, and just do this. Console.log. Are you in my IDE real quick?
Let me see. Yeah, let me flip back over to yours. Just see if it actually finds anything.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Yeah. Now, what is this telling me? Where? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Expected 0 type arguments, but got 1. Now I'm at a new error, which is dope.
0 type arguments got 1. That's what I was getting to. They say that's like a straight React setup error, though, bro.
React.
Not React. I saw some. Yeah, TypeScript. I saw something about Angular too, with that being like an Angular thing. I think that's just a general error, like a generic error, bro.
Interesting.
Why is this not working for me, bro?
Brody, that's why we're typing to a button, but we're targeting the class, which could be any element, bro. That's the problem. That's the problem.
Gee, I know why mine wasn't working, bro. I'm so stupid. Mine working now, G. I'm so stupid, bro.
No, bro, but you know, I figured out the other error.
What's up?
The other error.
Talk to me.
So we were typing to a button, but we weren't targeting buttons. We were targeting the class, and that class can exist on anything.
Oh, HTML button element. That means it has to be a button, bro?
It has to be a button. So that's why the query selector, we just target the tag, right? Like, let me share my screen now.
Yeah, you sharing it, bro. Hold on, you sharing it.
I am?
Yeah, let me see if I can blow it up. Let me see if I can blow it up. Link copied. All right. Give me that.
All right, so check this out. Now I'm just targeting buttons.
You can see, bro.
Right?
All right, yeah.
You can see. I said, blow me up.
Man, you finna school us, bro. I could blow you up, but then your mic gonna be like acting like it want to pay bills, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, come on, bro. Let it pay.
How do I get that? Hey, look, just do this. I think we can do it. So get rid of your split screen and just make your IDE way bigger. You got your browser on one side and you got there you go, yeah. Make that like full screen and then blow it up. Yeah, that's way better. Okay, yeah, we can see it. Make it a little bigger, bro. A little bigger. You don't need all that space. Keep going.
My face.
One more. Oh yeah, this lit, bro. We can see that clear as day.
All right, so check this out. This is why I can't believe I didn't think of this. You see, what's the difference between this and this?
One of them it can be one or more, yeah.
Yeah, it could be one or more. It could be different kinds of elements. So now honestly, the array.from also helps us too, because no matter what comes through, we always gonna drop it in an array, which is fine. We can do that. So now that we got that, let's go.
Nah, bro, look, I'm telling you, the approach I'm taking is better though, man. You're gonna agree. Watch. You're gonna agree. I'm telling you, it's cleaner.
All right. So
check this out. Check this out. You let me know when you rocking with me.
Oh, you gonna switch back over to yours? All right, good.
Let me know when you can see it.
I can see it.
Okay. So like the biggest problem was that I had a dot right here when I was doing get element by class.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But everything else Gucci, right? So now that we getting this, I think this is where your other thing come in. And I think I can do map right here.
Well, why are you mapping? You're not returning it.
Oh, yeah. No, you're right. I need to just do 4 each, right?
Yeah, you update it right now, so you ain't got to do that.
Not counter, but can I just do elem?
Can we change the name of that? Can we do counters or something? Elem?
For what? For which thing?
Well, look at that. Tab 9 coming through. Tab 9 said, what you want to do?
Yeah, it did come through for the kid, bro. But I think they got a point about this, right? We need to go check this out. Because if each of these are elements,
so
I can only iterate.
So here's the thing. do the query selector also. Because the reason why is I think you can for each on the query selector all returns a node list, which you can do for each on. You can't do for each on a collection of.
I think I can though. There has to be a way of that you map over these iterables, right? It's an iterable.
You'd have to put them back as an, but it's not any method. It's not all methods, bro. It's just some methods don't work on this collection of.
Right? Hold on. So then let's just find out the right way to do that then, like how to loop over. Let me show you what I'm doing.
Word.
Watch this. So look, how to loop over HTML collection.
Cookies on the Sunday.
Get it. With me. It's never that easy.
Get it. Get it. I ain't got no errors, bro, and I'm in here doing things, bro. But
you done? You done ski?
Bro, I'm
with you. You done ski?
I'm about done, bro. What you want to do?
Oh, you went back to the node list here then. All right.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You got fed up, bro.
I'm not fed, bro. I'm starving right now.
He say I'm done with this nonsense. Yeah, he done. He finna be done. Almost done, bro.
So let's get this formatted. I don't got prettier set up on my machine. All right. So now
I was close too, G. I was so close. I found out how to iterate over a collection. It was just use a regular for loop.
And this is what we're gonna do. Is I mean honestly, bro, that's it. Like what you mean? That's it. Oh, let me get rid of all this. Okay. That's like set counter. This does not need to exist inside of here. This actually needs to exist outside of this. Bro, I can't stand Mac sometimes. It be trying to teach me things I don't want it to teach me. Like
it's trying to school you, bro.
All right, so button dot add event listener click set counter. All right. Now let's see if we get these buttons rendering. Okay. Yeah, I came to a realization the other day that low-key, I think Chicago probably got one of the strongest hip-hop histories out of all cities, bro.
I can believe it.
You know what I'm saying? All right, so now let's counter. Okay, so set counter, we're gonna take a number. Counter equals count. Button dot enter HTML counter. All right, so that's it. Then if we go to class constraint. So when you click this button, I just want you to set a counter.
Oh, you so clever, bro. I see where you was going with that now. And I'm finna steal your idea, but I'm finna remix it.
So the remix is always on that. So first now we gotta get these buttons back showing up because yo, where'd they go?
They did dip on us, bro.
Bro, they cool dip, bro.
They did cool dip, bro.
Let's say you. It's like, nah, loved one, that's you. All right. Interesting.
All right, so let me at least get
so
this.
So the inner HTML is not. There it is. Oh, okay. So that's the thing that I gotta do. My bad.
All right, let me see if that works. I think I might at least got this.
Why you tripping on, bro? You ain't got no.
Yeah, no, I'm lying, bro. I thought I had it, bro.
Why we always in competition?
Oh, we got to, man. What? You taught me this though, man. I swear to God, you showed me the way, and I've never looked back.
Okay, so now what we need to do is this.
Oh, I'm so stupid, bro. I'm so stupid, bro. It's lit. It's lit, bro. It's over with. Over with, bro. Over with. Watch this.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the sibling of this.
That should do it. Yeah, what?
I mean, that's it. I think that's it.
I get that. That's over each.
So yeah, bro. I think that's it, bro. So if I do that,
You finished? Oh, I'm so stupid.
I'm done.
No, you finished for real? Is your front end working? Is your front end working?
Look.
Your front end working?
Look. I'm done. I got one more. I got one more. No, I got.
Oh, you got one more? Well, then watch my screen. What you mean? Well, then look at my screen. You got one more? Check my screen out there, bro.
Why you got two buttons?
And they decouple. Let's get it. All right, look. One got to be reset though, right? Wasn't that what we said?
Yeah. So what?
All right, I got you. I'm gonna put a reset on there. But did you at least get this far? Did you get this far? The double counter?
Bro, look, bro, look.
I saw you had one counter.
And then reset.
And you got the reset too?
Yeah.
Oh, that reset light, bro. What you just do? A little if statement? You know I beat you. I beat you fair and square. Damn, I missed that. All right, it's all good. It's all good. If the I need the classes. Did you use class names for that?
Yeah, I used the class list.
No, I mean, did you use the class of Oh, let me see your code again. Yeah, let me see how you did it. So you did set your counter. Okay, bet. My code a little cleaner, but we'll talk about that later.
Yeah, yours is much cleaner. This is me just getting this work. So now there's a thing that I need to fix, right? So check this out. You see how I got the resetting this, right?
Yeah.
The thing I gotta fix is, watch this. It goes to 11.
Oh, your counter ain't actually going back to 0, yeah. So then I got a chance to come back then. All right. Let me see. Why you just had your code up and not once did I look at how you was grabbing your list of classes, bro? Damn, I just missed it.
I gotta figure out what that is.
All right, I'm gonna just go the long way. Let me just console log out element and see what I got to work with.
Oh, I like how this is done.
Oh wait, this is collection, right? So ain't it element? No, it ain't gonna be that easy.
I don't gotta do all this. I don't have to do all this.
Yes, you do. You do gotta do all that. Do it, man.
I don't have to do
Do all that. I got the stream watching you, by the way.
That's fine. I think that's it.
How'd you get that class up there, bro?
Oh, why is it telling me that? Let's see here. What's up, buddy?
You want that?
I want that. Bro, you need to go to bed, dog. Bro, you know what? Am I still in here?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. You know I like challenges like this because it's so easy to do this kind of stuff in React and all these other frameworks, but you got to come back to the basics, which is for the listeners on the stream.
Facts,
that's important.
Facts.
That's
Tell them that.
This is a good struggle because this is the basis by which all those frameworks and libraries you messing with are using, right? The straight vanilla. So bro, this is React, it'd be state, but this is a good challenge. All right, so here's what's happening. I'm updating. I need a global count variable. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move it.
When did dot includes come into play? I thought you had to do the whole. That's actually lit, bro. So look, bro, you could do lm. So look, this is my class name, right? What is it? Class name. Did you know you could do includes and then put a string in it? So
where are you at?
I used to have to do string position. Oh, my bad. Ain't even in the ID with me. I keep forgetting to click. Check this out. So I'm grabbing my class name, right? Did you know you can do dot includes on any string and it performs a search?
Yeah, because the string each character in the string is broken down to an array. So that's why you can do array methods against that. You can even do reduces on strings, which is crazy.
That's crazy. All right, so then I need to do add right here. So is add. Oh, I'm done, by the way. This should be over with. That is add equal.
Yeah, I'm good. We good. All right.
Oh, you see it? You see it?
So,
you done? Are you done?
Yeah. I'm done, bro. What you mean? I'm out.
Damn, I thought you was still struggling, bro.
So this is what I want to do. Let me walk people through mine, okay?
All right.
Because now, and then you're gonna show them the better way to do it. All right.
Yeah,
or
I know, man. Definitely the lit way. Hold on. Let me listen. I gotta go grab this little chicken salad real quick, man, because my fast cut off in 15 minutes, bro. So I'm gonna grab this.
You straight. You good.
All right. The world finna be watching your screen, so I just put it on the browser so that they can at least see it.
I messed up. Let me.
I can't hear you.
Let me cut on a YouTube. Can you hear me now?
I got the headphones. I'm standing. I can hear the All right, there you go. All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I got you. My bad. I was trying. How can I play music, bro, when you gone?
My jazz gonna be the only thing coming through. This chill hop, free shit. I mean stuff.
That's right. Oh, that's right, because you gotta pay. Okay, my bad, y'all. All right, so let me break down to people real quick what's going on here. Now I'm mad zoomed out, so if y'all can't see, forgive me. So, long story short, what's happening here is inside this main TS. We have template strings for those of you who are not familiar with template strings. Now, template strings is just basically HTML that JavaScript is going to inject into the DOM for you, right? And since all inner HTML has to be string anyways. So this is a great way to add little blocks to your site using JS, right? So what we have done is we have the button that's a counter, and we have two. We have one to actually update the count, and we have one to reset the count, right? So we target both of those buttons. And then we're gonna pass them as a property or a param, since we in vanilla TS, to the setup counter function. Now what goes in here is we just need a node list of things that are buttons. That's all this means. This is me just typecasting this. So I got the buttons param coming through. I know it's gonna be a list of nodes that are button elements. And then the code is pretty simple. Let me close this for each. I'm gonna set a global, I wouldn't say global, I would say this setup counter block scope let function, or let variable of a counter. And then I'm gonna loop through each button to target both. And I'm gonna apply different methods to the different ones. So in each of these, I'm gonna have a setup counter function. Now what this setup counter function does is it's gonna set the count to whatever number I pass to it. It's gonna set the counter to whatever number I pass to it. And then it's going to change the inner HTML of that button to whatever that counter variable is. So we go to add. Basically, if the class list contains this add class, which we can see here, it does right there. And then we're gonna add an event listener click, and then we're gonna fire a function right here and set the counter to counter plus 1. Whatever the current counter variable is, just increment that by 1. And then we're gonna fire set counter right here to 0. This way we can actually, I'm gonna not lie to you, bro. This is some boilerplate. I don't even know what this does. So let's just fire that.
Yeah.
That's just hanging around. Oh, never mind.
No, yeah, that's your reset. That's your reset.
Yeah, this is the reset, but this also set the initial counter inner HTML. So that's why we.
Oh yeah. Or else nothing will show up, man.
Right. So in the else if this has reset, and honestly, we don't really have to run an else if, because we know if it doesn't contain add, then the only
right, which exactly, yeah. Then who cares, right?
But this is also good because if we leave it to contain reset or a class that we know is only going to be used in that particular instance, then let's go ahead and use an else if, because we want to target specifically that, because we may throw 30 more buttons on this page if we continue to build this out. So this is a good setup right here. So now I'm going to do is add a click to this, and I'm just going to target the first button, which I know is the one that contains the count, and I'm just going to set its inner HTML to counter equals 0, right? So that'll always reset it. Now, the way that I did this is in no way, I wouldn't say is in no way, it's not as clean, but what it does is it really breaks down the process of which this code is executed. So bro, what I want you to do now is show your example that's more optimized.
All right, I got you. Can you hear me?
I got you.
All right,
I'm gonna stop sharing too.
All right,
or even if you share, bro, I'll talk through it.
Yeah, no, hang on. I'm just trying to do one last thing real quick, just so I can really make it opti. You know what I'm saying?
Word.
There we go.
Hey, did you delete the message when I shouted out our homeboy's name? I can't do that.
I did. I'm like, he's still young. He don't know nothing about doxing yet. He's still young in the game.
Yep.
So, yeah, I think we good. I don't think I need that, but let's see.
Calling it this time next year, bro. They're gonna ask us to speak at a conference somewhere.
Gee, if we put that young thing that idea you put on the table today, bro, if that, man, I'm telling you, that's gonna be lit, bro.
You leading the public speaking though.
Nah, man, that's gonna be a 2. I am bugging right now.
Bro, put the last finishing touches. I'm gonna drop my son in bed.
I do a thing. This is actually trickier than. This one tried to catch me off guard a little bit, bro. Yo, this is actually I don't know why this is hitting me so hard. Hold on, I'm gonna have to pull you in. This is it's good. It was a little tougher than I thought, bro. Do it the Opti way. So I know that I need the question is if you do it the optimal way. So hang on, let me share my code. You watching my stream?
Yes, sir.
All right, so IDE, right? So check this out. So there's no doubt.
You're showing me and you, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm flipping it to the ID.
Okay.
See it? So look, there's no doubt in my mind that the optimal way to do this, okay, is to grab both of these DOMs, these buttons, at once, right? By using get element by class name. And then the way you should be able to do it is first you gotta. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. Hang on, I think I'm wasting time. I think I'm wasting time in my functionality by trying to do everything within that the loop. I think what I should do, the easiest thing to do, right, is you got two sides to this. On one side, you need two things on this event listener, right? So when you think about it, I don't even need an if or else. What you need is you got one event listener that's called like your reset listener, and all it does is you assign the HTML to reset, and you tell it that the counter is 0. Right, done. That's your reset. Yes. That's.
Do you know why? You keep going.
No. You go.
No, you go.
Okay, yeah. So what I was gonna say is that inside of here, really the only unknown right now is that we don't know which one of these indexes is the add index. We don't know which one it is because I added Hey, you can get rid of that. I had it like this, right? So like there's nothing that tells me as I iterate over both of these which one is my reset. Like I know which one my add because I got a class on there called add. So I know that this is my reset, but I don't know which element is the one that I need to reset back to 0. You see what I'm saying? So like how do I account for that?
So wait, what are you trying? So you're trying to set which?
I want this reset button to set this back to 0.
Yeah. So the thing, first of all, you gotta do is don't run set counter. We should update set counter number 1. That's the first thing we should do. Because here's why. Answer me this question. You want the counter is whatever the number is in one button, right? Not both.
Right.
And then the other button, when you click it, just resets the counter.
Yeah. Or it sets it to A, B, C, D, F, G. Who cares, right? It sets it to 0. Let's say. But I got to do this, right? This is my like default. This is my when you land on. But
that's what I'm thinking. I don't like that function because here's why. You have to run. If you try to run set counter from the reset button, it's only applying set counter to the reset button. But we're trying to update.
Exactly. Wait. So is that what yours was doing?
Yeah, that's what mine was doing. Mine was updating the add button. So what we actually should do is update set counter to update the inner HTML of the add button. Then we can that's how you do it for both. So now I can go back to my original logic then. Hold on, I can do this then. Check this out. And then what you're gonna do is move that out there.
So hang on. Look. This what you do, right? This what you do. Hold on. That is add already. So you already know this. So what you could do is be like is add and count is counter. Otherwise it's 0. Then what you can say, wait, what?
No, you don't even need to do that, bro, because now you're accounting for two different buttons and what their inner HTML is. The only button whose inner HTML we care about is the add button.
Right.
That's it.
Right. No, so I was gonna get rid of all this. I was gonna get rid of this because now what we're saying is that both of them got one click event that does set counter. Right. So then this can just be +1. Why is this failing though? How is this not like this?
Check it.
What that mean?
Type string or 0. So basically, string or number is not assignable to. You can't. Zero has to be a string, bro. You can't.
Oh, I'm tweaking, bro. All right, yeah. HTML. All right, and then set counter. Now we don't need a number no more.
But this won't work though.
Why not?
But go ahead.
Look, check this out. Counter is gonna always be like yeah, no, that's fine. No, no, I don't even need that, bro. I don't even need that. Boom, done. And then the last thing we do is just run set counter.
But now you're always updating it to. Now you're always adding 1 to it though. Check that out.
Even if it's
yeah.
So if it's add, I want to add 1 to it, which is exactly what I want. But I'm never passing a number to it, so can't do that. It gotta work like this. Then we gotta make it work like this. And so this gotta be optional. This do gotta be optional. Counter gotta be equal to.
You should run that on both of them, bro.
What, set counter?
Yeah, you should run that on both of them. And honestly, just have counter. Don't even default that parameter. There's no need to, because or unless you got rid of the global variable. Okay, so that's fine. But then here's the thing. What's keeping the context of counter outside of that function?
Yeah, that's the problem that I'm trying to figure out right now. Because what you would have to do, you would have to say, if the button that got clicked, like if inside of here, if that was add, then you do want to do whatever is currently counter +1, which we ain't got no reference to right now. Like we ain't got nothing that's storing it. So damn, you actually do need a counter variable then at least.
Yeah, because think of what is this, bro? This is state management for this.
Yeah, this is fake state management. So then we don't even need this now. We can just do number. And then here we can just do counter. And then what we can say here is for
you got a conflicting variable names. Change the function parameter to count.
Okay, yeah. That's gonna be all up in there. But now here go what I was saying though. On this event right here, right? In here we know whether we in is add or not. So what I was thinking, Matt, was like inside of this, instead of just doing counter, we can say is add counter +1 or just reset to 0 and then run this against counter. You see what I'm saying? Like, why wouldn't that work?
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
So that would work. Let me ignore line 10 for a second because it's throwing me off. So let's review what you got here. So every time I loop through this button, I'm setting a counter variable 0, and I'm looking for if is add exists, right? So then in my set counter function, I'm setting so line 7 is right-ish but wrong.
Oh wait, this is wrong now. My bad. This is wrong now. This just need to be count. I don't even need the other crazy stuff on here.
Right. But here's the thing. So you gotta do two things in the set counter function, right? But first, let me ask you a question. What's wrong with the very first thing on line 7?
Count is whatever.
You targeting the current button you in to set the inner HTML.
Oh, so it's gonna mess with both elements.
Yeah. So we only want to update the add inner HTML.
Right. So then I think I had that right then, right?
No.
So
you were doing.
If I do is add, right, and then I did my ternary, like this was just reset. I mean, I know it's a waste, but it's some still ain't working. It's like not going.
And honestly, bro, you could do it like that because now you don't have to go into main.ts and set reset text inside of there. So you could do it like this.
But why is the counter only happening once though?
What are you talking about?
Like right now, if you look at my other browser, oh, you don't see the browser. Here we go. So if we go here, but now, so I got reset, not doing anything, and then one isn't like it only go up once and then it stops.
Yeah. So let's go. So let's go back to your code real quick, right? So you actually have to set the counter variable outside of the loop because every time you loop through, you're resetting.
Oh my god.
Set it as a blocks global-ish, if you will.
Yeah, and now this is saying counter is always going to be retained. I'm so stupid.
Yeah, so now you can, so here's the thing. So before you save, the thing is you want to keep doing what you're doing on line 7, but you need to add something to that function, right? Because if you do counter +1, and then also too, think about what you're setting to set counter right now. You're only supposed to be passing a number, but you're passing, no, you're doing it right.
Yeah, but this still ain't gonna work though, and I'm not sure why yet. So if this is the add element,
it's not gonna work because you're not updating counter. You're just incrementing counter, but you're not updating it. So if I get to 2, if I click it, I'm gonna get 1.
Yeah,
and when I click it again, it's still thinking it's 0 because you haven't updated the actual counter variable itself.
Where would I do that though? Do I do that in here?
You would do it in the set counter function.
Knew it, yeah. So I knew I was missing something with this global.
Yeah, counter equals count, and now just set that to counter.
Yeah, this would be counter.
Line A. Yeah.
All right, and then that reset should stay stuck though.
Yeah, the reset's fine. That's cool.
All right, so now we need reset. Reset works, but we need it to actually be respected. So it is working, but it needs to be respected. You know what I mean? Like basically, when I click reset, I told it specifically not to like mess with the. Oh, so I don't need this no more then.
So then,
yeah, and then I do gotta put reset in there, but since reset always reset.
Actually, bro, I'd leave that.
No, I can't though, because then what's gonna happen is, remember, if it's like, let's say it's reset. Let's say I click the reset button. I need something to turn into 0.
I know, but check this out. So you know how you have an is add? Do an is reset variable to target the reset button.
Yeah, but okay.
And then once you do that, you'll see that there's going to be a way you can optimize it. But at least get that thought on the code.
No, I don't want to do an is reset button though, because that feels like wasted. So is reset is already in place. You know how what is reset is? Negative is add. So if is add is true, I'm gonna do a counter. Otherwise, just say reset in the inner HTML. I think that's okay. The question is now though, if I click on, hang on, give me a second. I'm doing set counter. I'm setting count to 0.
Oh, in the or on your let me see here.
I think this is the problem, bro. I think this is the problem. I think this is a problem, and I think we got to handle the reset string a different way. Like, I know it would be dope if we could handle the reset string in there, but it just don't make sense to handle it in there.
Why does it not make sense to handle it?
Because now I'm on the hook for figuring out when does reset actually equal 0 in the A box. Here, let me show you on the browser so you can see.
Mm-hmm.
So if we go to the browser, right, this is working fine. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now when I hit reset, I don't got nothing sending the 0 to this 7. It's just gonna stay 7. However, the counter is at 0, and if I click it again, I bet it turn to 1. Right? Because it says 0, 2, 3, 4. Then if I hit reset, it's that 0, but it's gonna go to 1, 2. So I need something that will actually send that beacon over.
So
it's like a wasted.
So that's key.
Wasted 3.
So maybe. So let me ask you a question. What do you think about just putting reset in the main.ts?
That's what I just did. Yeah, that's what I literally just did.
I did the same thing in mine. So now all we got to do for the inner HTML is let's just worry about the add button.
Yeah, if it's so we can still let them rock the same because maybe the component they come from got the same class names. But now we know that one of them like set in stone. You know what I'm saying? So
like element. So line 8, you got to update to be is add like that. You got to target the add button inner HTML. That's it. That's the only inner HTML you got to target.
Oh yeah, you don't even got to worry about this no more. Oh no, yes I do. This is what controls my reset stuff. This is how I'm able to do reset in just one line. Like if I do it this way, now I can handle reset and adding in one event listener.
Okay.
So here, so if we go back here, this should work now. What? They both say 0.
Yeah, because you're setting you're setting the element inner HTML no matter what. You're targeting both still. Targeting both. Like go back, look at that JavaScript. Show your ID.
I got you. Oh, I'm so stupid. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Well, I still do want this event listener to impact. I just don't want this to be impacted. Okay, so this is like if is add, then not even in here, right? At this point, this would just be in here. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. That should do it.
There you go. All right. So now let's go back.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you wilding right here, bro. So let's go back. All right. So
now it ain't going to 0 because technically this is false now.
It's not setting no inner HTML at all.
Right.
So let's ask this question, bro. Ask yourself this question. What's a way while looping you can make sure you only update the add inner HTML? Button bracket 0 is easy, but it may be a little dirty, right?
I mean, I could just say since I know the index right here, I wonder is it? Whoa, what the hell? Can you still see my ID?
No, you don't. Yeah, I can, but I don't know what you just did.
I was gonna say since I know the index right here, like if is add is true. If is add is true when I know the index, then I could just use that information to declare like index on that. So I could just start the whole thing by saying if is add, and then only now do I care about appending this click event. But to your other point, I would now need 2 of these event listeners. It got to be a way to do this in just one event listener.
And it is. So, okay, humor me for a second. Go back to, get rid of all that. Just go to line 9. And we're not going to go with this. But just to put the thought in it, get rid of the if statement. Move line 9 out of the if. Okay. Just change line 8 to element bracket 0. We're not going to leave it like this, but let's just do that. Yeah, just that part. Element bracket 0. Okay.
Because we know for a fact that that's the.
We know for a fact. So let's save and then see if this works. I can't see your browser. So
I'm pulling it up. Yeah, dude. Because we know that that's the.
Yeah. So now think of it.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I think I got it at least. Wait, but how would I actually identify that index without passing index?
Because the index is only going to be the index that you're on, right? So let's see here. Let's do.
No, but you said get rid of it from here.
From
So this is where I would know, right? This is where I would be able to do the comparison, right? Like if I was in here and is add was true, then
now in the for each you can pass an additional parameter to pick up on the array that you're looping through, right? This way you don't have to lose context again.
Oh, so it would be like the actual element?
You could just do ARR. And that third parameter means like this is the current array of it. And then now element becomes R. So that's one way so you don't have to loop through it twice, right? But Because here's what I'm tripping on is how do we find any of the ads and update them? You know what I'm saying?
Any of the what? The ads?
Yeah, let's say we have 30 ad buttons on here. Or if we don't care about that, then
No,
we just leave it
Higgle,
as
where you
bar.
tweaking at? Okay, I figured it out, man. I had it right the first time. This where you tweaking at. We actually do need to update both DOMs. Well, both DOMs do need to control updating the DOM that is add. So if we're gonna make this truly dynamic, we actually do need to, like this right here, once we find out this is true, we need to actually set something that tells us which index it is. Mm-hmm. Oh, but if you own reset though, if you own the reset element, would you know how to find the add element?
You would, because then you could do find index.
But what if it's this though? What if they opposites? Oh, you mean like find?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, say that one more time.
And you could use the R. You see the third parameter of the array that you're in. Use the ARR to then find the index of the add.
They got something like that, like the PHP shit. Like
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, like
find index in JavaScript. Yeah.
Hang on. What is that? How do you do that?
Do ARR.
So this is my. I basically want to know if is add. Then you saying ARR that find me? Of what? Predicate of value element, index number, object element. What the fuck?
Yeah, just give me two parentheses. And then just do, you could do L or whatever you want. Okay, and then do L, and you could do the class name includes right here too. And it's gonna find.
This is even easier, bro. So I don't even need this right now. So hold on. If this worked, Matt, then I don't need any of that, right? If I can say on each iteration, go through the full array and find class name dot add.
And there's two of these. There's find index and there's find last index. But find index just finds the first instance of that.
Wait, this can't be this easy. Hang on, because now we wouldn't need any of this. G. If this method exists, then we can literally do all of this in just the one method. Yeah, we won't even need that. All right, let's go into the browser.
I don't know why you doubt me. I don't know what I've done.
No, I'm not doubting you. I don't know how this method works. It's giving me back zeros though. Oh, of course it would, because that's the index that got it. But let me go flip-flop these. And now it should give me back one.
So that's the only thing that sucks about finding the index, because now you'd have to go and
do the whole array first, yeah.
Now let me show you another method. Have you worked with find before?
Mm-mm.
So change find index to just find. Go back to your IDE, change find index to just find. It's your IDE too.
The find?
Yeah, just change it to find.
Okay, same code?
Leave it right there, and now go tell me, but what's up?
On both iterations, it came back the right one. Lit. Okay, cool. So then, boom. So then, now that I can do that, this is really what I was trying to do. But I was going to do it a really long way. I was going to use the index knowledge. So, okay. So if I know that, this is returning to me a whole element. So this is, we'll call this the, this is the base element. This is the, mutable element. Equal to no, this is actually, well, it don't matter, but mutable element. And then here all we got to do is say mutable element.innerHTML. Is that gonna work though? I thought this returned me a full element.
Well, I can't see your IDE, bro, so I don't know what's good.
What the hell, G? How do I keep doing that? So what I was gonna do is let mutable element. So this returns a full element, right?
So what is it saying to you? Like, what is mutable element?
Mutable element, I probably shouldn't. I meant to say immutable element. But what I'm thinking is this is going to be that button element.
It is.
Right. So why wouldn't this work then?
I don't know what. Let me see the error it's giving you.
Oh yeah, I should have checked that. So if I do let immutable element equals that, then what is this complaining about? It's possibly undefined. Oh, because it might not find it. So I know what I got to do. Nope, can't do that. Well then, let's just do this.
I would do immutable element and immutable element dot iteration. No, that's what I would do. But you can do it another way.
Wait. Say that again.
So go to the very start of line 9. Put immutable element.
And like that.
And then between those, do a double ampersand. And now do it. There you go.
But now I got an equal error because it's still the same problem, right?
Let me see what equals talking about.
Because this you can't put a conditional outside of a. I'm trying to tell the inner HTML that it equals something. But I need to conditionalize it though, right? I need to be like if this immutable element was wrong. Hold on, let's think about this. So now we have access to the element that needs to always update. Oh no, it is the mutable element. It is the mutable element. I had it.
Is it? Wait, hold on, bro. Am I tripping? Is it? Can you go back to what I told you to do?
Yeah, okay. Element.
No. Go keep the variable name.
Okay.
Yeah. There's another way you could do this too, but well, let's do this first.
And this is the mutable element. This is the one that can keep changing every time you click it.
Exactly. So do the instead of doing double ampersand, do the double question mark. I think that's what works.
No, because it's still possibly undefined. I could have sworn you could do this if you were questioning.
I thought you could too. I mean, another thing. Yeah, you should. What is it saying?
Because it's saying it's not going to exist on type never, right? At some point, this ain't going. This gonna fail. Yeah.
So you can't. So it's saying it's strict. You can't even run that if that doesn't exist. I mean, another thing you could do is, if you do the find index, then you can reference the array itself again, and then instead of 0, you just do that.
Yeah, I think that's the way to go, bro.
Yeah.
Like you say mutable element index.
Mm-hmm.
And then now this is element index.
You do it. All right.
Then you don't need is add.
Don't do element, do R. Do the ARR because you've already established that variable. Don't reference it outside of itself.
Oh, that's what that is. So that gives you access to this without having to.
Yeah.
Okay. So then,
and then another thing, if you want to avoid a lint error, change index to just an underscore since you're not using it. On line 3.
Okay.
In the for each parameters.
Oh, nice. So hold on. So one more question. Since we doing this, here's the thing, right? This is a method. Can I just declare this as a? Can I just say let lm equals no, I can't. Let l equals this. Is that okay?
What? No, you can't do that. What you can do is you can,
because I'm using this twice, right? One, I need this in 2 places, because then I wouldn't need this is add.
So then set up something to where you give it an element to check that against. Right?
Got you. Yeah. Got you. Okay, so I'm basically saying that hold on. This can get even cleaner now that I think about it. So now let's think about this real quick. So you made it so that we are basically saying, let's take is add out of it, right? Now the first thing that happened when we get in this loop is we handing you on a silver platter the one DOM that can be manipulated. So in theory, Matt, if the current element, that the current index that we are on is not the mutable element index, then we do want, hold on, this is what I think the answer is. The inner HTML always gonna get manipulated, but if this is equal to index, meaning this is our base case, then I want it to change to counter. Otherwise, it means that we on reset, then it's that. Then at that point, do we need any of this? We just need counter plus one.
So the thing that you're breaking right now is, number one, you've removed the ability to reset the counter to 0. And then number two, you can't reference, in the beginning of line 9, you're always referencing the add button, because look, you're doing element bracket.
That's the only one. That's the only one's HTML I ever want to mess with.
But you don't. If that's the only one's HTML you ever want to mess with, you don't need to turn there. You just update it.
Yeah, but I need to know whether I'm gonna set it to 0 or whether I'm gonna set it to whatever the counter was here.
Oh, so what you're trying to do? So
yeah, because then I get rid of this altogether.
Right.
But what is this complaining about? Oh, that's just this. Boom, there you go.
0. Yeah.
Bob's your uncle.
There you go.
So hang on, I flipped those buttons around, by the way, so that's not an error. But let's see if that worked. Yep, that worked. Oh, but it didn't set it back to 0, so that's just a scoping thing, right?
Yeah.
So we got counter right here.
No, it's not a scoping. It's not a scoping thing. You, I think you're incrementing counter, but you're not updating counter. See what I'm saying?
I thought I was updating it right here.
No, you're referencing counter, and then everywhere else you're manipulating it against another variable that you're not actually. Let's see here, because yeah, you're doing counter plus 1, and you're changing the inner HTML to 0. But where are you actually changing the number on 2 to 0?
Oh, so I need to be like, all right, hang on. So I need to say, if counter, if this is the one that's mutable, then sure, go ahead, be count. Otherwise, be 0.
Now wrap that just an entire if block. So
yeah, might as well. So we don't have if. Yeah, we'll say no, because then I gotta write to these variables twice.
So
yeah,
now,
I think this might be cleaner actually. Just 2 lines instead of 4.
I still don't think you should get rid of the is add, bro.
You think the is add was clean?
Yeah, I think the is add was clean, because now instead of doing a double conditional, now you can just, well, it'd be a different. Either way, you're gonna.
Yeah, either way you're gonna have 2. Yeah, we'll just have to run it through some kind of performance thing and see which one would be the fastest.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you that I did the query selector all performance is faster, and it also allows for more variability.
How you know it's faster? Like, we ain't run down one of these, man. Let's run these through something first. I don't know, bro. We gotta run these through something.
Go ahead.
No, but it's working too. This worked too. Well, it took me a while to get here, but yeah, this definitely worked now.
So check out what we just did in this, bro. So first of all, we did a JSX component. We've mimicked the use state of React, right? And this is now, we have a vanilla JS understanding of how that basically is built.
Wait, when you say we mimic use state though, are you saying that's how state? This can't be how state work.
That's exactly how state work.
So why we got to do all that other stuff though? Like, why we got to do like use state, like that hook stuff? Why we got to do like use state?
The hook stuff is just the syntax pattern that they have us do. Otherwise, and also too, the reason why you do use state is because that built-in function re-renders the component.
So wait, hang on. So you saying that hang on. So use state on the inside of use state in React is just stuff like this on my screen?
Yeah, it's literally just taking a global variable and updating it, and then causing a re-render, right? The only thing that we haven't done is we haven't set any other dependencies in the DOM to look for the counter update. It's strictly to the buttons that we're passing to it. That's the difference. That's the next step.
But if what you're saying is true, then is you saying React just do this?
And the basics part, yeah.
What?
This is what they do. When you do use state, you're literally just taking, here's a global variable, here's an updater for that global variable, right? Whenever you do something to update that global variable, just update it. You basically reset it, right? The next thing that they did, which is the bigger piece of use state, which would take some more, more JS to implement, is you can have different things depending on that state update, right? So go back to main.ts. What React would do is React would completely re-render main.ts every time that counter is updated. Whereas right now, we're just doing a very simple inner HTML update.
So when you say the word re-render, whenever in JavaScript you do a .inner HTML, that's what React mean when they say re-render?
No, there's much more to the re-render.
Yeah, I thought so. I was like,
this is the concept though of sometimes simple state management, right? Is that you're targeting a variable and then you're able to update it on the fly and then have it displayed, right? But useState also, and you can do that with useState, but useState also completely re-renders your component. But the concept of watching a global variable to then trigger an update is the same in terms of state management.
Damn, that's crazy.
That's just their hook. That's just their hook that they use, which they bake more into, right? But that's the basis of it, is when that variable changes, you do an update. That's really the basics of it. That's why it's important. It's important to understand vanilla JS because that's what all that is built off of.
So I could do something like this then, really. I could be like counter equals count. I could say this equals counter. And can I say if index? No, that's not gonna work. I'm trying to think now if we can get away with just doing this once and somehow declaring these correctly, like this. Like what if the code can just look like that somehow? I don't think so though.
No, it can't, because then it's not gonna. If you're not particularly on that add button, then no update happens at all. So you can't reset it. That's pretty much what that does.
Yeah, so I think this might be the cleanest we can get it.
For now.
One event. Gee, this what the stream needs to be, bro. I guarantee you I can get way more people on this. Facebook was juking, bro. And YouTube was kind of juking at some point. What was the high on YouTube?
Mm-hmm. But we can run sessions like this, bro. Because this repo is what we're gonna build out for these lessons. But at least you got the starter. But at least now you see how Vite works.
Yeah, now I see how Vite works. Plus, I think one thing you and I should work on, G, because it do look like this peer programming is gonna be way better if multiple people can steal the screen. I think we need to work on a way. Do you see how big my IDE is right now, right?
Yeah.
We need to work on a way so that at a moment's glance, I can hand it off to you, and then you could just be like, I don't know if we could do that right now. Is there a way you can be in my IDE right now?
No, I don't think they let us do that. The only other thing we could do is if we upload this to a private repo on like Code Sandbox, and we're updating together at the same time.
Hold on, let me see something real quick. Chris Gardner was telling me about something actually. Work and VS Code together. Live share. What? Control Shift P. Live. Sign in. Oh, it's a and this our personals, bro.
We gotta have Microsoft accounts. Is that what we do?
Sign in after you install. Okay, live share is an extension. Have you heard of this though?
I never.
This was Chris Gardner was trying to tell me about this, and I kind of shut him down, like because I didn't trust it. I just know for a fact that Schwab ain't gonna this ain't gonna rock on Schwab. So invitation link, copy to clipboard, send it to anyone you trust. I'm
installing it right now.
Copy again, invitation link, copy to clipboard. So I'm finna send this to your Facebook.
If needed,
there you go. And then now what though?
Should appear in your status bar. Where's status bar?
Oh, it's at the bottom. But the question is like, how do I get us?
So
There are no participants. Share? Yeah, I just sent the link to your Facebook.
Hold on 1 second, bro.
Start by clicking on your name in the status bar.
Bro, this worked. That's crazy.
Yeah, this would be lit, bro.
Bro, what are they doing now right now, bro? There's so many tools and stuff, bro. I'm a little taken aback.
I'm a litty, bro. Yeah, they said start by clicking your name in the status bar. Where's my name?
Yo, what? Can I open this in Visual Studio? Shut up, bro.
Wait,
hold on, am I in your code?
Wait up, bro. Where you at? Where you at? Yo, I see your name, bro. Hold on, G. Yo, shit, full as hell. Hey, type something. Try to type something. Yo, you know, let's go. Yo, that's lit, bro. That's done, bro. That's exactly how we finna rock, bro.
How do I come up? Show the ID. I want to see. What is my name?
Hold on, I got you. It was kind of aggressive, G. So I moved from your cursor. But we're gonna have to fix that. You gonna have to fix that. Don't hop in on with your. Just go make a dummy account with your Twitch handle.
Is it my Twitch or is it?
No, this is your. I think it's whatever you accepted my URL as.
Oh, well, you sent it on Facebook.
And when you clicked it, then what? What did it do once you clicked it?
It just opened it.
It just opened like VS Code?
Yeah, it asked me if I want to open in VS Code because it was spinning up VS Code in the browser. Hey, you can drop comments in here?
Damn.
What?
My bad. We got okay. Offline, Matt. We got to figure that out. We got to figure out the because I don't want to dox you, and I don't want to dox nobody because the internet is a very scary place.
Look at me, bro. Hey, bro, can you straight up like go in and blur that?
Yeah, I got you. And I'm finna delete this stream. I'm gonna delete this stream after this.
All right, word.
Damn,
listen,
man, it was
that business meeting, Brody.
All right, do your thing, man. Damn, it was a good gym in this meeting too. But all right, listen, I'm finna shut the stream down anyway, man. Thank y'all for joining the Junkyard. This was super dope, man. It's always good to have you on the channel, man.
Always, bro.
We gotta see some more of this, but go ahead and handle your business. I'm gonna handle mine. Everybody, y'all have a great night. Peace out, my guys and girls. It's been a pleasure.
Stay cool, y'all.